Steelwedge delivers integrated business planning. In a constantly changing, volatile business environment, integrated business planning provides a clear line of sight from demand to supply to finance, enabling a truly agile decision-making process. With integrated business planning, Steelwedge delivers enterprise agility so that your plans can stay in sync with your changing business demands. The days of static supply chain plans are over. The definition of agility depends upon your role within your enterprise. To the sales team, agility is the ability in real time to collaborate, develop, and evaluate alternate sales forecasts and ensure that qualitative feedback is incorporated while allowing anyone providing input to the plan to do so from a viewpoint that makes sense to them. To the demand planning team, it's the ability to integrate performance feedback, qualitative inputs, sales forecasts, and sales opportunity data to develop an accurate and agreed upon demand plan. To the supply planning team, agility is managing and optimizing the impact of demand planning scenarios on inventory levels and constrained resources. To the finance team, agility is tuning financial plans in line with operations, delivering plans that make sense. Because Steelwedge generates revenue and margin plans by leveraging collaborative bottom-up and top-down processes, the quality of a financial plan published using this framework is unrivaled in its timeliness, value, and representation of operational realities. And finally, to the executive team, agility is the ability to understand and evaluate operational and strategic scenarios to create a truly integrated business plan, viewing the enterprise through one lens to respond to changes and maximize margins. The resulting integrated business plan synthesizes revenue, unit, and margin scenarios from both a volume and mix perspective. It enables enterprise agility that adapts to changing market conditions, changing environmental factors, changing customer demands, and changing growth initiatives. This is where static business plans fall short. And it's not as difficult as you might think. With Steelwedge, there is no new software to learn. And the business processes are automated and enforced by a configurable, best practice-based workflow engine that's used by some of the highest performing enterprises on the planet. Today's business environment requires planning shock absorbers to recognize and recalibrate in order to drive and sustain growth. Steelwedge Integrated Business Planning delivers planning agility with a clear line of sight from plan to performance to profit.